I'm gonna make noodles. These are mini instant Tokyo noodles that I got at Daiso. Okay, it says just add water. I'm gonna make them in my Itaki Pro. These noodles are pretty convenient because they already have everything in them. You just have to add water, but we're gonna add some other things to make it tasty. Okay, to the bowl we're going to add the noodles. Let's see, I've beat these up. They're noodle fragments. Whoops. 1 standard cup of water. And then we're going to add some frozen mixed vegetables. There we go. So, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper to bring some heat. Then we're going to add 2 Itaki cups of water to the base. I think I've told you guys before I use distilled water so it won't get crusty in there because our water is very hard. Okay, and we're gonna get everybody laid out there, nice and even. Okay, you have to put this divider for it to seal properly, so don't forget it. There we go. Lock it down, and then we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go rice meal. Oh, maybe we'll go soup. Okay, it's not gonna take 90 minutes, but there we go. We can change the time if we want. I've discovered with the soup button, if you try to go down, it only goes down a certain amount, and then it starts over at 99. So I've just set a timer so that I can check it in a few minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and the noodles are cooked. Vegetables are tender crisp. Looks like, I mean, if you want your vegetables cooked softer, I would cook them first and then add the noodles. Otherwise, your noodles are gonna be overcooked. All right, bon appetit. So I went ahead and poured this into a bowl. This is warm. It's not too hot. I was able to pick it up out of there. Also, there's an awful lot of water left in here, so I think we could get away with 1 Itaki cup for instant noodles. There we go. Maybe add some sriracha here. Bon appetit.